Do you want your project or product to stand out? Contact EcoBlock Company Limited, your #1 EPS solution provider. Introducing premium EPS sheet from EcoBlock, engineered for construction, thermal insulation, packaging, lettering, signage, decorative moldings, stage designs, and so much more. Our EPS sheet brings versatility to every project. Lightweight, easy to work with, built for performance. Available in a range of sizes to fit your exact needs. Contact EcoBlock today and let's elevate your project right from the start. EcoBlock Premium EPS Solutions. If you can imagine it, EcoBlock can produce it.